Australia has great beaches that invite you to swim. However, if you know what lurks beneath the surface, that might dampen your enthusiasm a bit. In addition to jellyfish and sharks, saltwater crocodiles are the spoilsport that make beaches in northern Australia unsafe or pretty much completely unusable.
Big croc-wise in croc country. Look, it is very rare to see the crocodile in the ocean. We do get them, definitely. There was actually one here last Monday. He was coming down from up north and he headed down to our southern beaches.
There are over 100,000 saltwater crocodiles that live mostly in the estuaries and also in the adjacent sea.
An estuary is a creek that runs out to the ocean and sort of that middle part.
They can grow up to 7 meters long. Accidents are relatively rare, but they do happen. From 16 accidents in 2023, 2 ended fatally. To keep the numbers low and allow tourists and locals to enjoy the beaches in peace, there's a guarded beach in every major town.
Wherever the lifeguard is, it's the safest area for swimming.
The sea is constantly searched by lifeguards from elevated positions.
Best ways that we spot a crocodile is using drones, also using elevation. That's why we've got the hut is elevated.
Drones are also used to scan the water and take a closer look at danger.
If we have someone come up to us and say, I think I might have spotted something, and that's where we can put up our drones and search in that area and look around. It's a lot easier to sort of get out without using humans or putting anyone in risk. It's a lot easier to put a drone out.
The drones are only operated on the weekends when there are enough lifeguards on duty. A special training is needed to operate the drone.
We'll fly the drone in the area that we think that it was last sighted in, and sort of using different sort of flight patterns, like using squares. You start and you spiral around and make the distance larger and try and looking in that area.
The drone operator is always in close contact with other lifeguards to report any findings.
Channel 1 radio check.
And we'll sort of correspond with other lifeguards at different beaches, letting them know.
But lifeguards never take any risks.
We close the beach for 4 hours of the first sighting, and then whenever that last sighting is, it's another 4 hours. If it has stayed in the area for a couple of hours, we'll just keep pushing it back further and further.
All sightings and drone footage are evaluated to research on the animal's behavior and also keep the public up to date.